In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Rightmove app for PC. It's important to note that Rightmove does not offer a dedicated Windows or macOS desktop app. Instead, the best way to access Rightmove on your PC is through a web browser. This means you can still enjoy all the features of Rightmove right from your computer. The official mobile app is only available for Android and iPhone or iPad. Understanding this upfront helps set your expectations for using Rightmove on a PC. First, open a web browser on your PC. You can choose from popular options such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Mozilla Firefox. Each of these browsers provides a robust experience for web browsing and will allow you to access Rightmove seamlessly. Once you have your browser open, you will see the familiar search bar at the top. This is where you will enter the URL for the Rightmove website. It's a straightforward step, but it's crucial because without this, you cannot move forward to browse properties. Next, go to the Rightmove website. You can do this by typing www.rightmove.co.uk into the search bar and hitting enter. The website will load quickly and you will see a clean interface that showcases a variety of properties. This is the hub where all the magic happens. By visiting the Rightmove site, you gain access to a wealth of information about homes, flats, and commercial properties across the UK. This step is essential because it opens the door to your property search. Now sign into your Rightmove account or create one if you don't already have one. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials and click the Sign In button. If you are new to Rightmove, look for the option to create a new account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and a password. Creating an account is important because it allows you to save your searches, bookmark properties, and set property alerts. This little step saves you a lot of time later when you want to track your favorite listings. After you've signed in, you can start browsing, searching, saving properties, and managing property alerts directly from the website. Use the search bar to enter your desired location, price range, and property type. The site offers filters to refine your search so you can find exactly what you are looking for. This flexibility means you can tailor your search to fit your specific needs. It is reassuring to know that all your options are at your fingertips, making the process much easier. If you want an app-like experience on Windows, you can install the Rightmove website as a progressive web app, or PWA. This option is available in browsers like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. To do this, look for the browser's Install App option, usually found in the Settings menu or as an icon in the address bar. Installing the website as a PWA creates a desktop shortcut that allows you to open Rightmove in its own window. This gives it a more app-like feel, even though it remains the website rather than a standalone desktop application. Following these steps ensures that you have full access to Rightmove on your PC. You can browse properties with ease, save your favorites, and manage alerts seamlessly. With all this information, you are now equipped to make the most of your property search using Rightmove on your computer. Enjoy exploring all the properties available to you at your convenience.